The design of a paper airplane affects how far it'll fly. Today you'll be making 6 different paper airplanes and seeing how far each one flies. How will each plane be different? Well, all 6 planes are going to be using a 4-fold technique. So they're all using 4 folds. How they're going to be different is in the first of the 4 folds. We're going to change the angle of the first fold to be 6 different angles. So the first plane will have an angle of 0 on the first fold. The next one will have an angle of 9 degrees, 18, 27, 36, and 45. So this first fold will be a different angle on each plane, and the other 3 folds will be the same, but that's going to vary. So this creates a function where x is the angle of the first fold, and f of x will be the distance that the plane flies. And that's the situation we're looking at today.